Yam district. This director got to know a scout who was supposed to go and be responsible for the overseeing examinations tomorrow in his school. He contacted the scout with the view of bribing the scout. Our security teams picked up this information and he was arrested attempting to bribe the scout together with the other examinations.
Omwogezi w'ekitongole kino Jennifer Kaole Musamba ategeeza nti waliwo abatemezaako nga mu disitulikiti y'e Kayunga, Gomba, Buyende, Kalungu ne Kampala waliwo abaagala okubba ebigezo.
Ng'ekitongole tutaddewo amaanyi mangi nnyo mu bukuumi bw'ebigezo bino era twalina omu agenda kufuna olupapula luno kati bannaffe ba head teachers ne ba directors lwakitegeddeko ne balaba nga bagezaako okufuna omwaganya omulala bayinza okuba nga bayitamu naye kirungi tukwagana n'abantu bangi ab'ebyokwerinda ne basuperwise baffe nabo tubalina mu field so gamunanga ali eyo teweeyibaala.
Abayizi 7,885 be bagenda okutuula ebigezo mu ggwanga lyonna olunaku olw'enkya nga bakutandika n'ekigezo eky'okubala. Judith Nalugwa yakusakidde eggulu lino ku lwabwe.
Amakuru nukwegemerire gatyo kandi tinkuteekateeka ngo nibo bonka abantu bingi omu mashomero kuba kwe mbatunga chance bakabe niboneka ngo nibibe examinations tinkumanya emyaka mushanje emyaka omwana yako bashomere ahabwencho tari kwesika ngo nabasa kweyemerera akagire kiyakora ahabwencho tari kumureka ke Rwanda mashinja bokuba tuteekateeka ngo akanakira ko kutebekanisa omwana okugira ngo nanebera akurateho amanyo ko aragumena birabamo aruwenka konka bagumano yereka ngo you must give that help really omwana no tamutebekanisa nyencha kare confidence negumerye yo mushuririzo noza kushanga umuntu nakora bityo atarukweyesiga hato chezo tudiyo tutebekanisa abantu tutebekanisa abana and when actually abateka mu mutumo go kugira ngo at any time they can get help from like someone benu inteka ngo abarutwaza batyo birujeho kubiye byatambuire kubi umanyo byaba kubi omwana ayege okwerwanira amashinja omukeire kona aho kubotari na naho kubori amanyengu nabasa kugira ekiyakoraho bwenu nkabe nishaba ngo UNEP na nebitongore kwate nebyo kwerinda okubasa konjera mu amani okugira ngo mugumize mu mbase kwata bakora malpractices ezo kandi na namazima garunguna n'amashomero mbakurate ahabo kuba naho tuturu kwesiga tuza kushanga ishomero rimwe ryayiba irindi ritiba atoshange competition utakubasa kujikompeyaringa really ushanga umuntu nayihe 9 abandi bari muri 5 bari yambako babagwa munonga kandi obwe nibo bakozireje abo ko bayekora bafayo struggle mwana yarabamu yasiya max 5 oriya wo bamureka answers aha no gwa hanecha hanekiri ya hano ko sa formulate yasiya max 9 amu imagining abantu nkabo wabohorezo mu field noha ayakubasa gukora okongeraho ekindi shuwa owatanda mukaga nabasa okushembuka asye nkaga abokwana na gusa efoti ogongo no kweteekateekera then go wahereza 9 yibire really hatunoza kushanga yashuma yazo muri nshanju ashuma munonga bidu yatajiro muri 10 abokuba biriya byona niwo kuba bimuhire somehow so ninjanga tongere okutamwa amani okureba ngo at least abana bitu bayereberera tumanyangu abashomesa bamwe bakatandikira mu strike na mnonga bwa tamweji konkanya bwanje nitega dangu tamweji ebiryo a revision abana mbabashomere syllabus bazishize somewhere numwaka mwashiro 80% mutashire mu 100 noza kushanga ngo nico basika omwana okukora revision yebyo ebya 80% ayongereho common sense amhere bwizo bashanga umwana yahikaje so tutakaza kureba hari yeco munonga twikirize ngu abana bine kubane bekorera kandi bakabasa okugumiza muje we bari wategisireho abo program ya system ka tumanyisa unsakwa twakira Gideon Senyomo arije ko naturetera ebikwatena na umurimo gwanje kandi hand hace neje kuba natutwara aha bakutambuza ebigezo abina kakwate nabyo okubyemerire ahabwa abana bitu ba primary ya mushanju ebyatandika erizoba barukutandika na exam echa mathematics. Mwena basa kutogita social media platforms zitu aharmu TV West Nehinda nka Facebook page yitu #nesisimuka tushanje no jakwa no tureba je kandi na aha X batweta @TV West UG aho tinkwenda ngo base okwogaho kureka sebera no jakwa no tushanga yeje kandi na ha YouTube turiho teka meketija tinkwenda ngo burabure okubasagumza muno yetegereza makuru agari kugenda misho omwihanga kandi yihire hecho turinzire Gideon Senyomo akaruru of course kariyoni kagenda omisho presidential candidates already bariyoni batambura yihanga ryo no kubasa kuronda obushagici kandi no kubasa kuronda okubine kwembemerera omukarura kahabwe bina byabo afutine bine ebirengire omuri bitano kandi empapura zitu z'amakuru nzibanze kuhereza abantu aba bari kuba bari obutosha ariyo mukahumura bamukoreka kabe ntakwenda ngo presidential candidate wawe aze kuhika mu kicweka ushango tari kucimanya obetetebekaniso kubasa kuhika ahari abari okuhurikiriza ebi arije kuba nagamba turebere President Museveni omuriteso sub-region abire na ronda ya Karuru kandi n'abandi bo no kuba kutambura bona bariyo mu mpapura zitu ez'amakuru ningushaba ngo taragazo base kutunga kope yawe obase kumanya who is going where, who is campaigning where, okubasa kureba okubirije kubana bitambura hatinka munywani witu Frank Burira naija kuba ari omuri bunyangabo ninyenda ngo abokwe mutegereze izoberi eryebiro bishatu Joseph Mabirizi naija kuba ari amurkwena hamwe na Kapchorwa aba ergroko bija kuba bamutegereze General Mjisha Muntu ari Ruwero hamwe na Kaseke na nabandi nko kubarije ku bantu batambura taragazo tungor papura rwawe orwa The New Vision no tungor papura orwa bukede noja kwa no bitungaje full swing okumanya who is where presidential candidate wawe obase okumbuga na kurunji oyihire hecho no kugira ngo nana ba members ba parliament bakarga kunominatingwa nahabwe cyo twantwirira ombiro 10 campaigns nizija kuba nzigurwaho okubasa nabo kutambura ombicweka byabo bakareba kubine kwani baronda obushagici nkabe nyina nabo takarebaga ogumozeyo ahi barakorera rallies zabo obase kuro kuba kwemerera orebo kubajwire orebo kuba kugamba orebo kuba shunshwirisho cye orebo kubereza mino orebo kuba cyire nono orebe nkito yibajwiro kwerukusha kirinere sayibine manifestos zabo then otorane kurigirira okora arebe when you add up all those things abo kuba kugira ngo ha ngumbe no nechirofa ngonka ngonichikora atshi a healthy mind is what makes a healthy body atanaija kukora atayaba ariyo mchafu so byone byo mbiconsidering making sure ngo wazaye wari amerika gumo muri yecho ekimwahurire and when actually mwe mwahurire mwe mbababiri ebigwire so ninyenda ngo ejenshonga nayo mbase kujejumbira mukurunje munonga otherwise twagarika abana bitu aba primary 7 tulinzire Gideon Senyomo nkabe ninyenda ngo mwana mutebekanise abase okugenda ayijwire arije nindazaba edakika birnemwe ezarengo mushaha yo kubanza omwana yaba naza yishomero kore examination zize nakweshengereza mutebekanise je reka genda ine mind ya rukundo omwana musibureje muhereze ebikwato byine kuba nakoresa akayinform cye no bore wotaka karabizi yino aha pasi aro basakarabya heda chikeji omwana mutebekanise kandi making sure nguti yachererwa kandi enjira no yakugwa you must find a way eyo kureba ngo omwana wawe yaza ahishomero kore examination zeza habo kuba this is a one time thing wara chahingura obeno manya kutuza kuronda inebo tunoreba uitenjire kagwa mbene bikagenda biti no omwana taho uburyo bwona cyaciye kupangisa ka special kapangise kwa kuriyo kumujweke ibintu biri kwingane debe ino kutandikira mutwa mpaka bigere bemujweke kugira ngo enjire takamushira ka uniform konko making sure ngo mwana wawe yatambura yaza ahishomero yaza kora examination zeze utakachikora nkarwe kwaso abo kuma mwana emyaka mushanjiye na no bawajita kandi umanya hate bya repeating bikahwaho ya bikawaho really abana tubacu repeatinga so nishaba ngo rwane mashija o making sure ngo mwana wawe yaza kora her primary living examinations elizoba mje kwamba kora hati na nyencha kare na habwecha abana banda bamwe basigarumuka abo kugira ngo ahereze that conducive environment ahabwa abana bita abicamushanju okubasa kora examinations zabo omu buteka kandi aganda makuru agunakubenta kwenda ngu oferwe okumanya ngu ebiri kugenda omuri Tanzania ahanyuma y'akarura katirwe aho empanga lesuluhwe basize okasingura basagumza muno shoma emikutu yitu ya TV West kandi no kuhanga TV West amisho okubasa kumanya ebiri kugenda misho ombicweka ebya amahanga agatwetorire namnonga this time round ihanga erya Tanzania aho abireno bacwa akagufu nakaringwa okubasa kugira ngo bashyikirize enshonga yo kutera akaruru kandi ombye ntambura accidents nizeyongera munonga by the way hatane zitwara abantu binji munonga uza kuziro tunga hafa nkago jiro tunga hafa 20 jiro tunga hafa 80 so turebereho accidents sezi zikweyongera ahabwa kira kenjura zikweyongera ahabwo kuvigireryo okuvuga tusinzire okuvugise kimama na nebindi bwena kire kenjura nkaka ninkweshengereza ngwano manyangwe motoka yawe emipira tije omanyangwa hakoransi tekuza kugenda je kandi wara wajitamaka speed enjura amazimagaringu neretera empira y'imotoka yitu yaterera obuterezi ahari ahatari koransi naho nbwaburu bwinji basa kwegendesereza ahawo magara gitu Gideon Senyomo yashitire aha ishomero yarukija kubona tushoborera kutoreko kubetebekanise ahabwa primary living examinations ahabwa P7. Gideon, my dear, you're welcome.
Good morning, my dear teams. Good morning, Ziran Senyomo. Gideon Koko Agamba Turinkai to Bishop Stewart Demo Primary School. I am Remo Ambara. It's not a time. One zero. Chinoko Candent. Number P7. Ataka Chai Shomoro. Achariwe. Zabashahe Muneda Chikabri Nitano. Okuja Asha Eyanje. Bishop Stewart Demo Primary School. Bo Aveji Baito Mushomero. Batejirize Shaha Yonyini. Shahe Zontubara Agati Shahi Viri na Shahi Shat. Aqua Shahi Shat Washimukubari mtizamu nyinda tubakire batugane kurga kashesha kabonka abakeze abasa kuyikakireke okwetorori hanga tureba abana barinjire emitwaro kinana nomwe kashanje nabanga ino bakuza kushamira kizamu cya PLH tebekanisibo UNEP nyinda tubakire bamombe bonje kutuganirira amaziraga okurga kasheshe bonka beji no gamba munonga aramse abarebe wa TV West Kankozi niya okurga kasheshe amazina gawe uyitogwirone
Amazina ni Katwesi Steve.
Noko njahira Katwesi je.
Amazina ni Katwesi Steve. Umweji wa Bishop Stewart Demo Primary School. Akuteka kore exam result. Exam noro na kuro mutano kubanga noro kudetermine emyaka unit mazuru primary. Songwe no exam noro na kwa wenu noro mutano kukuna anachigambire. Mwenu tokwetebekanise nkaburijo. Mura ati ngona itebekanise na set na rura njine.
Set ziborekede, set nzozi.
Set ni yeji.
Okay.
Na rura yayo. Mwenu nyonyi na itebekanise rede ndinzire bari abanye boro musuno bancheris.
Okay.
Abaye chiranyo kana tanche na bikozere.
Okay.
Mwenu hati ngotejerize.
Expectations zawe nzoziha.
Expectations and expecting akuyamu first grades na second grades zonka.
First ngarengochi. Nako first grades in level na second grades in level.
Okay. First grades danchra arena jat komar arena. That is single digit. When kurenga wao. Then second grade is it went to rankari 10 second grade not rajibari danchra 10 paka yabiri na zingai abiri nisha toko turasheyo ejone kwa yabe akasha mpaka yabiri.
Okay, that means a super grade. He's talking about a super grade. Where at the level as nyako achio ndizo mtambi na mnoga tugani ito cross in here. Amrundo gutuze turabomba shomero konka mrundo ga abojo ahaha bina nabana bo mutana kwa sofani bo bakwijo misha amazina gawe kurga kasheshe expectations.
My name is Timber Marshall.
Okay.
Watchers out there.
Okay.
Us as candidates of Bishop Stewart demonstration, since morning we have been revising hard. We have been asking our friends, asking our teachers, and everyone around us. We have been even doing revision work.
Okay.
Now this week we have been practicing very well.
Your expectations?
My expectations are to get aggregate 4, aggregate 8.
4 to 8. That's a decision. That's a 1-1. Tuwaza kuija sister. Amazina gawe mkiwe weteguye ota.
Amazina ni Moses Samuel ushomeye kandi abashomesa banje nyambere ko kandi ni mpamyango ntuza gukora je ahubwo abashomesa bajyambere je kandi mpamye abazire bona bariho ngo ishomero gitu Bishop Stewart demonstration primary school liga kayache
Okay. Twatugamba ishomero twatine mu abeje sana nabakuru b'amashomero nyinda tubakira bakire nje tubakire obushomesa na mukuru w'ishomero tugambire nkademo twemere tuta okuruka kasheshe
yebare mnonga abareba TV bakutureba demo twinabeje bitu 92 kandi indi ugambira bona bashiro mu ishomero petekatekere gukora exams abana bakuko bahura abana nibehayo tubatebekaniseje and we are hopeful our children will come in first grade and those who fail will come in second grade and the best one we hope no children should go beyond 20
beyond 20
it's
a good amazina
nasigara yaro twishwe ni korasi nigesaho cyamushanju ka deputy teacher in charge of academics
omukamondi jo tusibura namnone natuza polisi atwarga tuzashye bikuru cya polisi kureba ngo exame byatambara bita narga ikuru werinda chief west mukamondi orirota nka Bishop Stewart demo twemerera umuzira ryo kwe namnonga bine itwa bitucena nabasha tubayikiro mu ishomero inabazira bakinnyo kwa bana obwire baceriro ninga bashyo mushaha
ayindi gambra bakineho edakikanche konka abana bona hatu bakaye bari mu mashomero nsima rahankure mutafika hizoberi iri kutandika PRE kandi tureba haro ucurera kandi kutube ntorana za radio turira tine babyire mu kubyiba benze tekateka abana tubatebekanise twabashadara tekateka ngo baza gukora je munonga kandi bona beje bitu barya twine absenti nomwe ben turatwamere kandi abana kugira tubareba baza kwikabona
habro muzira hariyo
omuziro ryoko ikikure cyawe no gusimbuka umwana kuba yashira ishomere shahezi akaba rede akaba nabandi akabasa kutandika ibizamu kandi akabikora je benu ni nsima buri omuwena abo kuba nabazire twine obi witu atugurire byo kurya nebyo kunywa bwena abana bona nibaza kubana barira hishomero tari umwana ushime kuba nagaraka omuka yashira hishomero mazina nasigara n'umumya Joseph head teacher Bishop Stewart demonstration primary school
ebigambo wabihurira chache nomwe wa TV West ekiresi nacho mutano PLE yatandika kwetorori hanga abeji nabagamba bari njiro mitwalo 8 ezoba shaisha tunakutandika nekizamu cya maths omwazi abakoresha cya social studies abinyuma cyeta SST exam cyo kubanza cyikutwara shahi ibineda kikama 13 ekirakora cyitwara shahi ibineda kiki 15 ekukirari exam byatandukerizo bikatandika na briefing briefing abantu bakishira kukigamba konga bikatandika na briefing erizoba bakandika cyonyine cyenyine kiriheri izoba na nyencha kare ekukirari no kwano bitunga ATV West Honka nasiganse nyumo Gideon aha umurimba za polisi turebe bitwa bino bitambuza barino bitambuza je ntari shonga awakire kangaro mu studio cyacu agumze na program ya simuka
webare mnonga Gideon Senyomo nokore kintu chamani mnonga okutereza those live updates. Okay, bitu namazima edakika zo zabira 3 esarengo mushayiti yo kubanza tebekana saruzaro ya ugendeze kuri examination yayo kuronza mnonga abana no bareba aba Bishop Stewart demo primary school boba hikayo kare buryo moyashitiro tino bariyomba jangu takizere mweno wawo muka nakora yoki in case we yatakagira hishomero rye okubasa kwishikiriza echaine kwa nashikiriza izoberi uturaje twamanya ngo byo gwegese nebyendo misho abana bitu bagumiza mu barya hamashomero ben bakabasa okutunga nyencha kare irahaca hakiri cyo butungi charity ryo muhereza bwa program ya sisimuka twaza kumura ugarukaha injagarukana n'impapuro z'amakuru of course urupapuro rwa The New Vision na Bukede turebe what happens there then hand hace tuje kuba twine abajenyi abarije ku bantu baturetera entanda ibarije kwamba tukomorera then nabwanyuma tuje kuba twegito aho Gideon Senyuma once again ariko turetera ubire n'ibitambara aha police abikwatena na examinations bitabwa hati katumureho ka chemnonga we are coming back taga
Nehinda
nkaba nimanya ngo uruhere rwa leta icoya konka mutahi wanje akampabura ngo nkebeze mpox aho naho nkagenderaho bagikwateta kabiri kubi nkaba nyine kusigara umka kumare na kunke munonga konka kunogira nkunkarindaho nkaba ninza kumare sandi y'ibizona ndyo mukanta rukora ninga no kurenga hazobwizo ni sente izo kushashurenjo na nizibyo kurya zona zigenda zityo okukebeza kare kikanyamba okutashisha sente zanje kandi no kurinda amagara ganje
yesiga abakozi bawe bebe amagara okukebeza kamanya kare ko ine mpox nikiyamba amagara gawe tayiriro ryo neri kuri hihaho naho weza kura ngutokwehurage okumanya biri kukiraho tere kitongore cy'abyamagara ahana mbetariye kushashurira note munana note emwe note mukaga ningo sindiko butumwa bwabusha aha you report aha munani 5 note obutumwa obu ni kukibwa kitongore cy'abyamagara n'abatahi babo
abantu babwiza ubwera Rutoma, Kashari, Wanyamahembe, Gwampara, Mbarara, Shema, Bushenyi, Ibanda, Kazo, Chiruhura, Stagwenda, Kamwenje, Ntungamo, Nkore, Nelchwe Kamyone Betorwire. Nubomwire, Bomugisha Gwanyu, Omurisa Robert Kayanja, Oamira Koseta Cathedral Rubaga, Arumune Ijomu Ruterane, Rwenjiriye byo kutangaza. Okurugorwa mukaga, ebiro mukaga, okusya Sunday, ebiro mushanju, byo kwikomineri, umwaka ogu, aho hari ubwiza bwera playground, cya mushanju zihangwe. Kandi neja no Fire Conference aha Bwizi Garden Resort cyahibiriza kasheshe burizoba umwarasho mese zebehama ebihangazo buhereza kandi no kutamba Roman ga Kristo naha bwecho mureta barwire embohe abanyabuzari abanywani nababona barikwedengo kuhebwa mugisha ahubwo kuba duhangaye necyo kutangaza cyawe etandikirwa izina ryawe
webare ochiri aha program eyasisimuka orya TV West inchiro butunje charity omuhereza wa program eji twagarukane biri omumpapura z'amakuru urupapura rwa The New Vision na urupapura rwa Bukede. New Vision yashirinje 12 kandi Bukede ne yashirinje 10 ndukutandika no rime rujungu aha urupapura rwa The New Vision na hagira ngo more oil found in the Albertine. 178 wells drilled at Tilenga Kingfisher. Agona maziba agarmo oil omucheka echa Albertine kandi bakoreka ngo amazibaga nagahika omuriga na shanju na munana nahabwe cyo twongera kuvumbura no kumanya oil aheri aha bwihangariti rya Uganda urupapura n'urwo rwenyine orwa The New Vision okwenda kumanya birikoga hwaho rutunje noija kwa noreba imwe abashomere bya oil na nebindi ngabe ninkunda ngumirukanziro urupapuro aha bwo kuba the more we get the more we find out the more we get to know that we can be like employed ahabwa oil okujitimba na nebindi. 7 campaigns in Teso sub-region imureba waha kandi aina bacara bamani bamushagatire bamuriyo mu rubaju bajire bwa uniform bwabo nitu birariyo muri Teso sub-region okubasa kuronda obushagiki ahabwa karuru aka 2026-2031. Yes, twaza omuri kasese majangu security heightened as probe into attack starts. Abokuba no shine bitajenzire joko bwica byo kwenda bari mbonjira mwamani okubasa kutebekanisa embera. Aganda makuru niboreka ngo how government is responding to HIV spike in the cities. Some areas prevalence near thrice national average. Chewunyisa nayenga kitufu niyeshonga hapo nchishwa kwa twina habe empumo empumo run bija kuba nibatargetinga okubasa kucendereza kimwe akakoko ka sirimu nahabwe cyo kuba rahikaho yongere kukurura ebarugamba prevalence eyo muri bushenyi owita hintsubuka bushenyi greater ngweriyo 8%. It is almost tripling that one of the that one at the national level. So birebo byetegereze noja kuba nomanyaho kwata twine kurwanisa kakoko ka sirimu kakaza aha 0 ninga shomu negative our target 2040 audit. Chagulanyi's pledges to Lango and Karamoja Biruwaha abari muri Lango hamwe na Karamoja apredinjire kubatera hoki okubahereza ki in case he's put post yobwa president omuyihanga eri erya Uganda. Ahandi bajangu Nandala Mafabi promises free school meals, as in free meals. Think manyaneza rengo chi one primary one secondary one, but here it says Mafabi promises free school meals. Ebyo byona na biraganisa okurgo mu kibina echa Forum for Democratic Change jete FDC no presidential candidate wabo Nathan Nandara Mafabi. Mubarak Munyagwa to go after foreigners in retail trade. Ebyo nebariyo batebeza berebo byetegereze. President Museveni campaigns in Teso as Alupo and Ogwang reconcile. Wow, that sounds good. Abokuba nitwera twamanya ngo umuntu mukora huyaraba abantu bagarukana. That's a very good sign for a very good leader. Nebindi. Museveni calls for service delivery audit to curb corruption. Nechimwa bya hari manifesto ze okwasa kujanga turwana oburwenguzi. So ntureba ngo ariyo na calling for service delivery audit ukwenda kubasa kukabinga down kweta corruption. 24 killed in Kasese bondo bujo as security intensifies operations. Ibyo nebyo kwerinda azana bitwata ho munonga shoma yorebe obase kureba how secure you are omuchweke chorimo. Over 30 die in Ergon landslides ranga wanje what is rwechi no itwechi. Itari indwara ngwa mataba gargaho ngo ibashija biriyaha byona biri omurupapura rwitu orwa the new vision. IGG withdraws from Kazinda's property cases. Ebyo nabyo nindaba bugamba hwaha basa kushoma yobirebe obyetegereze. Nachivubo channel floods kill 4 run shops agona mataba omuyihangarite lya Uganda. Ekiri kunsasa munonga no kugira ngo imyaro muri kamparero ya emyaro eriyo konke kizibe kiruho uza kushangoshanga ngwitebe nyine nite tutambika mukasasiro tukatambika mu bwana obutorogire obutuzire nindazi twihiremo gambe kihandike kiha ruyari turbamwe abakuretera matabaga gaye yongera kisheza tsakujuma ebitongore biri gukora ombikwate nebyenkuto na nebindi abo kuba ejo kasasire yo rukwijuza hwaho niyo kuretera mizi gatagenda amuherwa izoba ukashanga gashaga no myara gatembaga garuka harugura ahankuto anemyanye ndisho byona biryomo omu comments hamwe na letters zitu harimo amakuru agakwanga gahandikwa abantu babutosha nkanye niwe. For example, banking without humans, a case courts cannot yet hear. birwaha empangare Dr. Theodora Twonjirwe Mondo wari munatworeka yokwe shoma horebe omkwatana nebyamagara health and beauty too young to go grey role of genetic stress and lifestyle uzakushango shango inenju kandi obwo rya myaka nke yanje nangwa nyowe hatiri nabire muhacha wa handache. How about you are in emyaka mito munonga? Eye whitening drops, are they safe? It has been my question also. Shangeri shoriona neriera wokujangwa ata mtu a drops bacheta eye whitening ninga shi dropage bacheta eye whitener umuntu shangeri shoneriera titi abokujangwa ata mwaka bazako turi safe ninga turi safe birwaha pakasa bogwa mweta Fiona Barebe's economic breakthrough in the USA yaro basakuzomunsiza heru abeni wabo mugiga wayo tukurenge birya bishome urupapura norwa the new vision. Professor Nuwagaba highlights investment opportunities for foreign investors. Bija haba batemaka sente kabona kakurugama bakwija batereze mirimo no tweyera iba kwamba korra tombeka nabo oshanga mwito twatunzira maka sente so byona side na side twena tufunamu pass O level this time to mathematics roba yo okuwa kubasa okukwera omwana wawe ombikwatira no kuhendera je P6 na P7 akwembe tuyamba okubasa kuhendera je PLE obyo kuza kuronda omwana kumwibira examinations omushahaza muhero azifitarashomere and when urupapuro rwa the new vision rya kubasa kubanda tuyamba bucirikare rutunja bwashirinje kumibiri zonka omwana wawe nawe ayongere okwerwa. Uganda hosts East African Employment Creation Project. Manya ibintu basanka no kujango tutamani urupapuro ryaha dukhenda nebyemzano bajanti Obegyo rescues UMU in Mbarara zeneza Pepsi University Football League reba okubitambwire kandi ziroho empake ziroho nyenchakare abwempireji nazo ziha even Wednesday nazo bastaho Thursday and Friday basa kumanya ni university cyarabineza neha kandi Uganda makuru mbajanti Cubs focused ibine bya FIFA under 17 World Cup nabyo ni ndabiryo mu urupapura riyo kugambira uko ine kuba no bicenganye ndotagaferwa makuru agarukwata aha Tanzania urebe akaruru kagenzire kata they took how long kwika karanjira usinjire Suluhu Samia embera Emurieta. How are people responding to her victory? Ebyona byo mu raporo rwenyine urwa the new vision kandi harmu of some jobs and tenders opportunities ziryomu Mountains of the Moon University, Trust Bank, Kabarore and Nakaseke districts, yes. Byera byomu basa okwetunjira urupapuro ru oribikwa kwasa okwehangurura tenda ombice capital mwe na bimwe kandi na company zitari zimwe na zimwe ogisireho na emirimo. You try your luck and see what happens. You never know. Raka yawe basa kuba eri mu rupapuro ru erizoba. Never give up, you know. Ahabo kuba tokumanya nyenchakare echerarete. Urupapuro rwa sharuti orwerizoba shirinje 12 rutarhendera twaza kureba urupapuro rwa bukede orwa norimi uruganda ubundi abendu nzarirwe hariya rwibare canje nyo munda ya mureju ahari abanyankore onure ngwe namazima garango inza kurugamba nko kundara basi bit hand hacent tujya kwa twine umjenyi okuruga omubempu mu marathon ejine kuba neba omuri bushenyi shaka twenda kureba ekigendererwa cyayo ni kiha no basa kujejumbira mwota na okuwa kubasa kwera bajejumbiramu okubasa kugira ngo kishikirireje mbona urupapuro rwa bukede orumye Ruganda ebizuse kubazigu abarumbye police n'enkambi y'amaje baiya maje bundi bujo footpoto ne kasese mukire nkaka akuturiyo mbwire obwo bururu really we have to be too alert and too vigilant okumanya how best we can curb down like such kind of practices eskwatana nebyo kwerinda. Yeah, government wadde subi abasubuzi mu Kampala abafiridwe mari mu mataba konka bantu mwe nabwe mwegendesereza iyo bikasasire mu kutambuko mwara nibyo bikorete government na yakukwatiraho mazima teka kuriya akashansha so buri amarwana se mutahiwe okutambisira ryo kasasiro okugitambuko myara amataba gakatwita you know amerwizo wa this is what happens bwenu ebyo nabyo tubite omunkora. President Museveni aguddewe dwaliro emagere agenze serere kunonya karuru byona biryomu orupapura orwabukede arukucenga jiwo rurimi Ruganda basa okurwirukangira agarahanga babukhandikira byona bishita mu Star Times ewade TVs abiri mutano lya abawanguzi mugabura se kukuru cyabire serious baza kwamba twaza TV nebisani ya byazo you know za decoder nebisani na TV byona birya mbwenu tinkwenda Christmas kandi garuko bore kugira ekiba kweta ka TV okurga Star Times bazitireyo okubasa kureba ngo bakwatanisa no papura orwa bukede omugabura se kukuru umano gro papuro ru orebe byargankahi byahikankahi ebizuse kukabinja akarumbye kasese babyongera mu ndomo byona ninyenda ngo betaka kufera abayizi ba P7 batanse PLE owayineb narabura kukopa odongo saba wandisi ariya nachwero bwanga nagira please mega iride temukora those malpractices abo examinations. Chagulanyi Center mu Robert okurwa mu kibine cha NUP ka presidential candidate alumbye butambara negomba byona biryomu nyenda ngo takabura kumanya presidential candidate wawe ingashowe kibina chawe ahari okureba oku ariyo nabetwaza. Police erinze kuwaburwa kugwa Brian White kuna wali mu papura z'amakuru reba what goes right and wrong with him. PLE, I mean revise with bukede weekly exercise P4, P5 and P6 bayambwa omuryechi orupapura orwa bukede shiringira kumizonka omwana yega okwayine kwana approachinga ebuzo ahabwa subjects ezitarukushana bitu nahendera nimba nakora mushango ki orupapuro ru rwinebye mizano aha rupapuro rwa muheru buwe kura efukamiza singo mu maso gabene ebyo nebikwatirana na eyebika omuri Buganda abanene tebasaga nabyo ninda bitahwaha ndaza entebe UPPC Mbarara City KCCA Buhimba Vira Calvary na handi then ahandi nibakugira nti champion yeah aho yari buwekura nibo ba champions ahabwa ebyo byenyine ebyempaka eza ebika ebya Buganda then basonze kawumbi muja NSSF nabyo nindaba bitahwaha orupapuro runo rwashiringira 10 kwetsengereza kwatenda Premier League Ateta arabudaba muvuganya ku kikopo iwagamba abantu batine beto nuturinda hashaha eyo kuza omukishayi tukareba noho wasinga rwasharute rwarizoba no rwashiringi 10 zonka. Yes beto twaza kumuraho tuja kuba ntwakira omujenyi witu okuruga mpumo marathon turebe intandejo kwa rajikomorre itwe ntwizira munkahi you know when tuyamba in case twaba involved then turebe ahitwine kubantu kwata program HRCCMK twahumura ntuzagaruka twino mujenyi ogwo nani kushaba ngo takaza hari kumahihi nagwanyuma tugumize muhamwe mpaka shaha 3 utakarga.
byona bibiri ntabasa kuba hari umutima
okay
icyo kubanza hari okushanga umuntu atakushimanya ngo ayineki ayishukari hari kuba yakimanyere akagenda akaza kushaba
akaza umushahara yonka
ukaza umushahara yonka utafunde mbazi so nimba shaba ubwire ukukira wano ushaba shaba ruhanga kuyambe utafuna complications urukoze so muki mbazi aho kwane binja bagukozise umbere ukanga kugwikiriza kandi bakaza mu complications so wano ushaba tukuzibira mu tushaba chunka shaba ruhanga kuyamba ngo ukoze so muki umubazije
so it is possible kugira ngo umbazi guruho konka baguke iwe amagaraga bagagwange
nikibasi kiracyo
ayikabagamba
nikibasi kiracyo so ojo shangango ko kumara ku complications zimwe zitukushanga iza diabetes nijija either okosa kubombazi either okugira ntu wayanga gumira ninga wota kumanya ngo mumbazi twagukukacho nko mubiri gwawe tugwagusiba
mbarire
so no abakushira nago banayija hirwaro umuhindurira hamuki amubazi so complications twinemu delayed wound healing kushanga bironda bitakora ki
bitakukira
twinemu diabetic nephropathy kushanga mu diabetes yagenda ya affectinga cells zekiza shukari ejo nyingi yagenda ya yosya nephrons ninga ensigo yawe ensigo zakora ki zarwara tusha twashangangu ntukira kufuna mu diabetic retinopathy kushanga mu diabetes ya ntwatare ibintu umuntu yabaye ni shukari nakira kufuna ubutahwezaje so nibigenda affectinga cells ninga neurons zaharisho umuntu aburakora ki kweza ungaro kushanga ngo shukari ejo yaba nyingi yija yayikwata enyuma yerisho ku ayitukutere kishani arire bashukari nabakora ki nabahuma kushanga ngo umuntu tachikweza afukire impumi ahagwa shukari ojo shanga ngo umuntu yafuna gangrene kushanga ngo kigere cyajunda abo kugira ngo shukari tekikahoje umuntu afuna ubuki uzubuye so kinkimanyisa ndukutegereza ahi shukari yakwatire kigere shukari yagenzire kashisho musi nitubanza tukwesiza ekigere kikuba kijunze cyayambuka tukashanga ngo obuzibuno bukoma aho no tukugira mu theater ikigere tukakikora ki tukakitereza cyayanga
bitwasana kutereze bwa kandi
aro kushanga ngo hajunzire pattern
yes
so ntuzo mu theater tukora defibrillment tuyahoje pattern abasa kora ki
kuguma hona kare kapata
kandi hayanga tushira kubatema hamaki kushanga party yona wagite
kandi batatorebere ngo turonda tukukira kandi hata mwagaruka mwatema nawe neco nekironde kitiya
hatese kironda nshitoma aseptikare ninga ndushitemo mu ngere nungi turemeso muntu kugira ngo yafuna ubukoko buratureho kora ki ekikuzibire bironda byabo kukira ishagama yabonene nurire ubukoko bwagwa hanuzire nabona ubwa bwashitama nuburya
bugomoka
buzarage bamubinyi nibafuna recurrent UTIs
yego
abo kugira nte inkari yabo nayo yes inkari yabo nayo nebenurire
ne accommodating ubukoko mbuzoko bujarama
ne accommodating ubukoko buzamu bukora buta buba bwingi kiretero umuntu kuba nafuna UTIs zaburuko nangwa ati na UTIs na nezendware zite za burijo pneumonia bacterial infections zone zini zibakora kubi
yes
so iyo nayo nemwe aha complications za shukari then hine complication empango owo kwijoka shanga ngo umuntu twakomubazi wabura kugumira ngo kutwakugambira shukari yaza hanze twakugira nto banza wari omera kajuma iwe wamera kajuma takarire so kuwa mera kajuma takarire ninga wayitera kakatu twakugira nto banza wari wayitera kakatu wakitera takakuzurota takarire shukari ombiri gwaje ukozesa speed yaza
ashuma iriyo nego muno ko
abona borukura ntubagambira ngo iruko muhakaki
akasoda
kari mushukari kugira ngo umubiri ugire abo kwa shukari kubera umuriya yatumbiri brain yawe tine shukari no basa kugomagara against hagwa hypoglycemia ninga shukari kuza hansi cyo kurebera abana basi benshi arayishomero nazirika shukari ne yaza hansi hata munonga ninga yiruka akamarayo race umubiri nuko sa shukari nyingi
atwanashikaho
shukari yaza hansi munongo shango ngo utachifuna shukari rukumara umuntu akuzereka icyo tweta fainting ninga syncope kushanga umuntu yakora atayazereka habo shukari kuza hansi so ni byo mwa complication za diabetes.
omubwire bw'akaruru TV West neja kuberebera hamwe okurwa mu byaro okuza mu tawuni omuntu yaraneza bari kurundo bururu hamwe n'ibiganiro turi mu cyanga cyawe esha yona turi kuretera ebiri kufayo amakuru gaho naho na buri kimwe cyona eco murebi witu aine kumanya nituze kucimisya yekume no mukumanya abo kubicira biho cyona TV West neja kuba nechikwisyaho TV West nehinda
Orwa kabiri
natuza kuba twine omwami Johnson naija kuba natwegesa aha kuhinga kokowa
mbuche tekuza hansi y'imtware 2 burkiro na yashuma tekuza hansi y'imtware 2 burkiro okubanyonka hati kokowa nanobu nakugira ro no umbanka nimbanye ne mandate yo kushashura burukwezi uko nani nimangu burukwezi kuko neza kuba ne impintasi nariye miliyoni zangi 5 nimbanye mangu nimbaza kuba nimfuna nangu artist miliyoni mu burukwezi mbona tinkare mu kushashura na roni nabo cyemye tekusiyane yetorora muize muzo mu bihingi ubuhingi harumwe nogangirwamo
tuzakuba turi mu rushema turi kwega aha kuhinga kokowa mwe niwe rebeka ngo tuwafirwa program ejo
Babare iwotiri ni twabwa programu eji ya system kanu kwetu agaruka tuti nakuraga nsangutwe n'umjenyi okurga omuba empumo marathon kandi ntande yatkomera n'impango mnonga twenda kwebuza ito muno twizira mukahi na twenza chi nenje kitwakubasa kugobamu kandi iwari kwenda kuhera bakwenda kujegitaho ukabasa kukorota abo kuba it is for a noble cause kandi yariyo naza okutushoborera byona tukabasa okubyetegereza ntarukuri yakirece reka mwakira yongere kube yanjurura nabwanyuma tugambere empumo chone empumo niki then kwakongeraho marathon hati kibera kicumwe then anebi gikoratire ahansa sebo twakwakira gundo murundi
yebare mnonga sister Charity nabanyeta John aturinde kateba ni nkoranka executive director wa initiative for better health. We are the ones who are organizing Empumo Marathon. Empumo, mkana chishoboro irisho. It's a brand name that we have adopted. Turukuchiho muri nyankore, chirukumanyisa ngo it is a sound following the movement object. Ejo speed ejo tukuteka mwejo irukurata kukwiruka mbwenu nitutusharze mtu wagira ngo uteke mwamana munonga yakigenderwa kitune cyo kugira ngo tuteke mamana munonga kureba ngo twa controllinga the spread of HIV infection but also kureba ngo twa meetinga the agenda ya UN agenda by 2030 kureba ngo tachiro umuntu nomwe urukwitwa kakoko ka sirimu kandi tachiro umuntu nomwe urukurwara sirimu so mbwena hati yitwa mu mpumo tukurabira mu kwiruka. Our approach is to use sports by way of running. So ntuiruka last year tukirukangira hambarara, so we are holding the second edition in Bushenyi tuzakuba turishaka kizinda and it is we do it every year buri mwaka tukora lead up to World AIDS Day celebrations. So the celebrations zo go mwaka iza World AIDS Day niza kuba ziri Kizinda. So it is in the same venue ni turi kuza kuba turi. So ibirabiri na mwenda by'ukwezi ku 11 ukwezi oko tuza kuba turi Kizinda. Ukwenda kumanya bikongera aho urwa gatanu rw'Sandege twineho okutongora leronki okutongora officially. So tuza kuronkingira district
ebiro
mushanju. Tuza kuronkingira ha district headquarters is Bushenyi, then tuja kuba twina bamahurire, then kugira ngo the purpose yebe byone kituriyo tugezaho no kureba ngo tugezaho kureba ngo creating awareness. To raise awareness, yes, abantu bakimanye bamanye ngo haraka koko ka sirimu, especially mu bana bato myanya nke mu myanya these universities and colleges, students na nabantu abo mu communities nkaba kuvuga borders where there are many people in markets and what kugira ngo abantu bareba abantu bakwiruka bebuze bitabana ibirikiraki. The reason, the purpose niyo kugira ngo babase kutekateka bagarike bishuke mu sirime kintu mutwe tureke, so that we stop the kind of laxity that has been happening. Then we are also going to use it as an opportunity to carry out HIV testing, free testing and counseling. So
manya hata yiwahika okirya habiro mushanju aha Friday ninga hatu wayogire washira hamwe
na kamukoro gwenyine konke biro mushanju cyamane kiruho no kuronkinga kurangu abantu batandika kugura kits t-shirt ziturkwirikiramo. So we are unveiling the kits, but also we are launching officially kugira ngo tutandike je campaign n'amani y'abantu kutandika kwejumbira mu kwiruka kwitu
no
kutongoza izobere kwero mushaje.
Okay, atinkabenye na unyetegereze nabahi abo kuranonda okurebeka ngo bayetaba marathonage imwe ba initiative for health nimwe murabe muri mumwenka ninga nanye charity ninyetengwayo na company nkejine yetengwayo who are supposed to be involved.
Okay, this is a cause. It is a cause that involves everyone, irrespective of age and irrespective of where you belong.
Na bishop wa Church of Uganda na president
Museveni actually tumwesere no kumweta na president no tubabanze no kwandikira
atiyo
na habo kuba tubantu tumanya ngo bishop kwarakuzaho twarabya message yo muri bishop aine congregation ya mana munongo mchachi.
Yes.
So the church is one of the channels that we use actually to make sure that the message goes out to everyone, because abantu bingi nabazo mu church kandi no manyango kinte kigamba bishop abantu nabaza kucurikiza oshanga no involvinga political leaders kumukuba mu n'omuntu omukwa mu electingire nka MP ninga nka meya wa stage yambara nine following ya man abantu nabana bakwina mu trust ya man. So ko kugira ngo wahereza message okagira utwonka abantu abana bishomero twanu tushabangu mutwaze mutena nabaza kurikiza than when umuntu yarga kuri umuntu waburijo akagamba abo kuba that is a trusted leader abantu back trusting. So for us the gishomero nka university to involving even the vice chancellor. I can give you an example. We are going to work with the Kampala International University. I already engaged the deputy vice chancellor, the one in charge of the campus, and they are going to be part of us in this run. Creating awareness on university, so that starts with the leadership above. So when the message comes from the leadership, it is very easy to be conceived by people or the followers. Ntzakora na Bushenyi district local government iri muri leadership ya political wing na neje ya civil service. So abo nabo ntzakora nabo deno twina marwaro ntzakora nago ntzakora nabantu nkaba kuvuga borders, taxi drivers, abo mbotare, the youth, abantu bingi. So this is a call to action by everyone, iwe nanye na munyanyoko na buri umwe, because twena turi affected by HIV. But family at least has had a test of someone getting HIV. Karatar mu at least mwagiraho neighbor, karatar ho hona mwineho nkumuntu mnywanu wawe. So it is an issue that affects everyone irrespective of age. Omuto wahagati no mukurubona.
Okay. Konka hino kumwagerezeho kubasa kwishikirira aba bantu abakwetaba nekolera jange abo kwantuteka ngo aba bantu abarukweguza omukwatenana okuterana babasa kwa bari bamwe abine kubambatunga this kind of awareness kandi ohire hejo ntuteka ngo nubo bakubasa kubana bongere kujanjaza akakoko ka sirimu abantu aba hine okumbengejinjire o marathon egi nanga that will be on the next project.
No, actually they are one of the primary targets that we have. No buto abire tuine marathon aha last year. We worked closely with the sex workers. So aba banyekorere janje. Ejange. Nyekorere yanje. Tukatubine nangwa nijo tukatunga mu even some people. Aba bagure t-shirts. I'm happy to mention actually even thank Mr. Kamch.
Yes.
Akabagurira t-shirts.
Kamcho witu wambara.
Yes, ogwanyu wambara.
Wabayitsimbe.
Yes, akabagurira t-shirts. Yazibahereza nito twabongereza indi so they were part of the people who came to run.
Wow.
Tukatubine. So the same approach we are also using it in Bushenyi. So we actually calling upon anyone who is any good Samaritan, a company or an individual wakubasa kuyamba na akabagurira kits akabagurira zo t-shirt buri yemeri ya mutware ebiri deno twara mutwaye imvuruvinga abo kuba bariyo binjo mwanya gwa Bushenyi especially je turumweje ya Kizinda. So they are one of the primary targets abutwine where we must make sure that this message goes.
Okay.
So to be in bunonga buzima tukora je.
Okay, haturebe okutwakubasa kwejumbamo. How easy can I access you? Nimba santa okubegitaho abako hata nachurra konka ndi mukashitami tingu maho kutandikira tingu manyo kuronda tingu manya kita najguranta tubatunga tuta okujango tube party.
Itwe number 1 mabaso kutunga hasimu 0773 256 294 0773 256 294 Ningashi otunjia 0701 56 90 20 0701 56 90 20 Ekindi no baso kutungira office yitu turi on stretcher in Kampala but also no baso kutushanga community in Bushenyi, for example, was a district local government because we are working with the office of the DHO, the district health officer, ntukorengana na Kawo's office, so was a Bushenyi district headquarters, no tunga wano enda kitsi, no baso kuishanga ahashere ya Bushenyi, ningo ishanga district headquarters.
Yes.
So nuzibazuru ninga watireza simeze zinahereza na gustiru nozitunga.
Okay.
So turi available again, no baso kuza website yitu otushangeho www.ibhuganda.org. Yes.
Ebuzo nyine binje birukogaho konka twakubanza twazaho kace omukahumuro abakatwinaho butuma bw'abashobozi obanze bwagambwa then nabonye matwasegarukana naba Empumo Marathon guma aha program eji yasesemuka Nehinda
Eji ni Kiboko Mabati okorwa mu MMI Steel Mills emwe muri za company iziri kucira y'ubuhango n'ubuhango omukora amabati umuri East Africa. Aha nitwara aluzinc coils na za coils ezitiranji hamwe n'amabati agakozirwe kuhangara. Buri bati ritiranji nirije na warranty y'emyaka 5 kandi kushanga turubura hamwe omwihanga amabati ga Kiboko tigakakuzahare. Turukura amabati konka nitwombeka amaka za business hamwe n'ebiroto ebikorirwa hano mu Uganda ahabwa abanya-Uganda. Gura Uganda, yombeka Uganda. Watekateka amabati, tekateka Kiboko.
Nehinda webare iwochernitwe ahabwa program eji eyasisimka abempumo bakiryaha Empumo Marathon konka twakuraganise ukwereza updates eskwatira na PLE primary living examinations abantu bariyo mbakira examinations zabo kurga ha police stations kustwaro mashomera bana kutandika gukora makiyusha ishatu bine kwani batandika so ninteka ngo bine kwambye examinations zabo bashimeko bariyo final touches barukuhendera eshaheje atakatwire ayine kuba natware eshaheje kujango babe ready mwana Gideon Senyomo yakikaho kace aha police yitaho mu rembo rwambarira aba dispatching these examinations from bakubitwara amashomero mbashaba mutwikirize tubaso kubanza twatunga updates ezo turebe ebintu nije ningatije Gideon Sebo twakwasire
Senyomo Gideon ko kunagamba to live kitebe kikuru kya police ha murembo rwambarira Okuna nagambe kurga kashesho kwetorora ihanga erizane cyo cyo mutana mnonga abeji ba primary 7 banywe emyaka 10 kushoma emyaka 10 ni manisa mushanju ya primary eshatu nasare asa chikuchambara ebizamba ryo babigaba nkoko ryo norebo background ebya district byashohwira ate bano bagaba ebya city omucha unyemerero nawe niwe Kellen Kabeho to live TV West nwaza kula musabare ba TV okurga kasheshe negishaha imbere kutwaliza hamo rembo rwamba twemerero tutana
amazina ndi Kellen ayebazibwe Kabeho district inspector of schools ahabwambara ngenda kutwara umugisho gusimarahanga ahabo kuba exam byone byambarira bijaje kandi tariho na paper nemwe yabura kandi babitwire kurgaha kuza umashomero nto expecting kugira ngo nibiza kushikayoje ahabo kuba rahanga yatwese nungi kandi nitubashaba mwena bariyo uko wakugira ene challenge yo muntu yatungo muhanda ari kugenda nimbashaba nimbeshengereza mu kwere kureba ngo bizamwe bya ikayo kurungi kandi twina amasiko ngo abana bitu baza kushika
amina
abo kuba tubatendekereje bashomereje kandi vigilators na supervisors tubaronzireje aba scout bashikiromu monitors bashikiromu bona team ya security yone ryaha ngwene twesigira kimwe ngwe binte byona nibiza kugenda je kandi bihendereje
umuzire ari natureba live TV so kabino mugambira ati
ngwene umuzire we kabe ni kushabira rizoba oshabira abana ababono takashabira wawe wenka oshabira abana bona kureba ngo bona tubagira bwo batubatina tubarwaramu mukama twase twe nabari mu size ki tukirige muje ruhanga ryo muhwezi wetu
ogwe ni madam Kellen Kabeho twine akurebuze byogwegesa arengora omucyakazi nibaza kumunyita anje tuganira nawe ama enshonga okwetorora ihanga icyo nkikoro a police imbara icyo nkikoro orengo ruhanga Uganda ko orengo ruhanga Uganda twine abeji emitwaro kinana gumwe kashanju rwenda mwenda munana abo nibo bahanditse n'ekitongwe cya UNEB okureba ngo bashitamira ekizameki akasheshe nibakutandika n'ekizamu kya maths okunokubara then omwazyo shamunana baze mu kizamu kya social studies na jete SST ebizamu cyo kubanza nibakukikora eshahi bineda kikama 30 ekirakura to bakikore eshahi bineda kiki 15 omwanya ogu live TV West ndibaza kwakira na mnongo muri TV West la musya barebe ekitindisa cyawe na mnongo go muri wa TV West okabino mugambira ati
muri bare mnonga we bare mnonga kumpa chance ji azimbarara city we are set ngonga momba nyako niko mushu mjezo twajyonto biteba kanisa abazire mwe barekoro mu rumogwanyu government ntubasima kandi ntusaba abazire ngo mutagira okwerarikirira mukareba abana mukabakoze se kitari cyo ninga bashomesa ntwesiga ngo tino ribe bizamu kandi mukama ntumusima habwensi yanungi ntumanyango byona nibuza kugenda je byona twabitebekanise kandi obusinguzi nobwitunkambarira site ahariyo runza kwiza twebembire Uganda yona
omuzire ari natureba kabe no meza butumwaki
omuzire no kumgira ngo naye barekoro mu rumogwe konka amanyengu abana basomere babatebekanise kikomara kandi nibaza obusinguzi nobwabo kandi sima nabashomesa abo ko bakargo mu strike konka biza no mutuma gumwe ikintu bakikora cyarugamo amazina ninye Anet Bato Ntimba
Anet Bato Ntimba obutumwa omwanyogu twinemo orukurebye bwegese mwete DEO twazo arengora district nawe nanishabana utumwakire arukurebye bwegese arengo Rasito nawe tumwakire live TV West yajangu akinakire omulebe wa TV West nyenja kwisa ekyo nkikorwa omwanya ogu kiro arengo rwihanga Uganda nyenja kwisa ngu twine abeje abehandise n'ekitongore kya UNEB akuza kushitamira ebizami biniri abetekaje kushitamira ebizami ebi ombutongore aba n'emitwaro 8 na gumwe kashanje rwenda mwenda munana abantu bo beje abehandise n'ekitongore kusanga ngo basame ekizami eki kikatandika na briefing olwakatano erizoba bariyo nibaza okandika nokuza omu kilasi bakahandika ekizamu kyenyini batandika n'ekizamu kya maths omweja akozeje y'omuzire nabayinina akorataho division 1 2 3 mpaka akushembayo abakire kangaro musudi ekushirari no kwano bitunga omahure gitu agihangwe ashamshanju then omukiro agacyenchwire no kwano tunga ebyona abakire kangaro mu studio tugumize na program asimkana sigansenyo mo Gideon aho murembo rambara
ochitire Wale mnonga Gideon ekintu nokisya aharengo. We are proud of you. Nuko twagaruka sityo mnyano witu ninteka ngo updates was tungaje kandi tindi kwetegereza yo mzire we achiholdingiro mwana muka wabanze yaza kutahiro twizi abanze yashenya sige yatsibike mbuzi really you're killing her future mureta agenda hatebyo byekorre for this just 2 days then hasigara nabayijo muka Roja kumukore semirimo koko rukwenda hatseruho budakika buce mbaza kwamba shitamira pepa ashayishatu ya indaza bedakika 18 ezarengo mushayitu ya kabiri nakweshengereza umwana murekura agende muhereze bukwato agenda kore aine sober mind ayitebekanise bucerikare ayikayishomera be yamanyirire mbera kwaraze kushitama abariyo mbuteka akoreje examination ze abasini yakana nitubendeze birungi byonka nanabi ya mukaga barukwisha. We are praying for you in advance. Munyikirize tugaruke uwo mwami Kateba abakwatirana na Empumo Marathon eitwareba ngune targetinga ekitwakweta 2030-2040 vision ya UN United Nations. Yes. Kugira ngo twabinjira kakoko ka sirimu omunsi yona okutwarira hamwe ebehwerireho chumwe abakujukwatwa na nabakujitwa.
Yes.
Okay. Hati twatwahika twakubasa kuba netubegitaho kureka hati nanyenda kwetegereza izobe ryo kurrahice eriyebera na mwenda okwezo ku 11 aho murije kwa mwine ho marathon eji nikiye hace nyine kirije kubakiro izobe ryo activities zirese kubaziro no kwirukanga konka kwaguriye kwirukanga no kuruganka hikuzankahi kandi no kwinvolvinga ahe.
Okay. Yawari mnonga izobe ry'ebirabir na mwenda nduja kwa ryo rwa mukaga ntuja futana kakarumu kasheshe shayi 12 with warm up.
Okay.
Tukore warm ups and then by shahemwe people should be going to the field to start running according to the races they prefer.
Yes.
The first race near 5 km, then to ineho 10 km, then to ineho 21 kilometers. That makes it a halfway marathon. Itano,
okay.
10 na 24. So the route is designed. I'm not very familiar with the geography of Shem. I can't describe. Konkero very available for everyone. Abantu bona they will come to run. So part of the activities, by the way, I'm glad to inform you or inform the public generally. Mutza kuba twinaho no mweshongozi. Omega 256. She's our ambassador already, an ambassador wa IBH. Kurwanisa HIV.
Okay.
Tukamwa appointinga.
Yes.
So she's part of us. So she's coming to perform.
Wow.
So ntija kuba abantu ubuzembe kuza kuba biruho.
Yes.
One of the sina kuba ruho vibe ya man. Away from running. Then to ineho na no mweshongozi. And those are the things which young people and the youth love. So I expect nabakwisha binje munonga to come. This time round it is free entry.
Please,
Omega hakubari no je kokushashura senti. Nke mtware 5 yebiri kumureba. Konka hategeneza kubera free.
50 million wabaje.
Hatokireba. So hati neza kubera free no kwijamu. Akaze with that vibe and that helps us now to go ahead and send out the message. Yeah, HIV.
That will be after the marathon.
Or that very day of the marathon.
hatuwe natandikiraho naza
imisa
kurara
twaheza kwirukanga then twaheza twerundana tubona kutunga entertainment
tandukamo entertainment
nkaniba nabishe nyino mtishayi kizinda
ecyakizinda
okay
n'ecyayi cyango
yeah we know
ibiro deno rwo kubanza rwo kubanza of course neja kubera World AIDS Day
kibanza cyo kwikuminebiri
cyo kwikuminebiri konka hatebye birebyo rwa mukago ruona n'urwito
rwa mukaga sande mande mbwe nza
zakuba twine ngabo kwana naza no performinga World AIDS Day. I think we are trying to have also that discussion with her.
Please.
So hati the other activities of course I've said nzakuba twine ho that entertainment then tugireho speeches tuzakugireho n'abantu abakusha kutestifyinga
abakakoko kasiremo
abarwire people who have HIV abakakoko akuba kuturanako bagezeho kwinkareginga abantu those abine okuba kwasa kuturanako then abatakino kuba kubasa kehara uko hano reba HIV echo tukuje echo kurwanira mnonga protection nejo kugira ngo you see it is easy to protect but once you fail to protect okatunga HIV you cannot reverse it. Once you can be negative konka mara kuhitinga ukaba positive you cannot reverse it to negative but you can choose to remain negative. So that is our emphasis. So tuzakwijaho n'abantu abarije kubana bahereza those testimonies to encourage people, those who live with HIV to live with it and those who have not got it to make sure that they don't get it, because that is our main focus, not to actually get it.
Okay.
Then the other activities tuzakugeraho of course ntuja tungaho na awards abantu abakuza kuba basingira umukwiruka mu mpaka then tubaherezaho ebirabo ibiturabase
mwine professionals show umukwiruka ngoko.
Yes, it went to in professionals like last year tukatu in professionals across the country.
Who is the chief runner?
The chief runner had talked to his Moses Kipsilo and he agreed, but I need to confirm to make sure that he's around. But we talked, yes, tukagamba hamwe from the beginning he accepted to be our chief runner. So ntubatu inabakuruga kapichorwa yibaraga mnonga na abakuruga kabare na nabakuna bambara but we encourage na nabababushenyi rokare abantu abitu naboku kwejumba mu mpakezo so that we also encourage them. Actually we also encourage sports away from HIV awareness. We also encourage sports so the competitions are going to be there then and tuja kuba twineho aba Red Cross bakora blood donation.
Wow.
Then of course tuja kuba twineho na HIV testing and counseling nabyo nibizakuba berwa. So those are the activities that we will have on that day.
So arukwenda kuongera ha blood bank oyije ukiye mwakashaga katambiriha
kagende katambire abantu bihanga. So
hatugaruke aha kit abako kit season tuzenda
nanye
ndiyo mwa haribo abakubasa kwenda kiteje naza kugitunganta ne yashiringi zingahi it includes what nebero muki
kit erumu basically t-shirt the vest turi kwirikiramo na nakashaho ako kuteka amamizi because ntubahereza amizi nambwe ngira ntuza kuba abamwe ntubahereza na yogurt yabo kwa company twire yogurt yaje ya Lakeside
so Lakeside there okay
Lakeside iriaho akwantenjaho
okay
so ntuja kuba ntubahereza na yogurt so mbwene kiti irimo those are basically what is available mushe kindo kabino ndacho mukwiruka
ntishirone cyashinje zingahi
ane mitware ebiri na hire address okuba kwasa kuzitunga nimwe ka Vision Group ntubebaza abo kugira ngo you are our main sponsor aba media so izimwe kits ntubasokwisha kuzireta hatinkiwe akugira ngo abambara bakwenda kwiruka baseuzi haha hatinkiwe mbwe ni cha stachari tobo kugenda noza ugitunga ku rugaha ebuza kwenda konkana nagambire no kugira ngo a district kiri easy ya district Bushenyi Sheru Bushenyi amwe na some other places tukuza kuba ntugamba. I think also Kampala International University naho ntakubaraho kids.
Okay. Yine kinde cyo rukwenda kongeraho aho
bwenu ikindu kongeraho ni nyenda kusima partners bita butwine sofa nka Ministry of Health ituriyo tukora hamwe na Uganda AIDS Commission hamwe na Bushenyi District Local Government omukwiruka ya omufitebeka no kwiruka then nsima mu na partners abari supporting na nesente nka National Housing and Construction Corporation Limited tuinamo National Water and Sewerage Corporation then of course definitely nsima na Vision Group ahabo kutuhereza this chance to be here
twija aha tukabasa kushoborera abantu aha mu marathon then nsima na MTN Uganda who have pledged to give us the sound and do that kind of advert before using they call it MTN Ridge Track, whatever that is. Then nsima n'abantu especially abakurugoma IBH, the volunteers who are supporting us with work. I know we still have other partners who are coming on board. I might not mention them here because tabaka committee injire, but when they commit I will also be mentioning them. Then I would like to use this opportunity to invite the general public to come bakija attending in big numbers tuiruche ebirabere na mwenda omukasheshe ruyaba rwa mukaga then nanokushaba ngu media abunda turabe twese na turetesiri bona bije because twino media conference press conference urwa gatano twanturonkinga bushenyi
urwa gatano ruha
urwe sandeje bro mushanga.
Okay.
So I'm calling upon people to come and
participate.
Sakuba to district headquarters of Bushenyi.
Okay.
Yes.
How safe am I? How safe is everyone? Aha marathon age. Kuna kushikayo akire nkaringwa ntari kwirukanga ruyare. Kuna hikana enda ngunanyeze aha cause niyemwe konka wasakushanga amagarabo gatari marunji. What happens on the way in case umuntu yatunga ene injare inga yatunga ubundo kwitse kubi yatunga shoka aho umuntu arisefata?
Oh, thank you so much. We have a partnership. I didn't mention about all our partners, but we have a partnership with different stakeholders. Amarwaro, to in a Ministry of Health, of course, to Nethereza ambulance through the nearby hospital, tutunga ambulance, then tukorana Uganda Red Cross, to make sure that there is that first aid that is given to people when they are running. To know Kampala International University already pledged to give us the medical team plus the ambulance. Abakuza kubana batuyamba also every race area 5 km neba ine ambulance
team yayo
kandi ine na team yayo twazo mu 10 km ine ambulance ine team yayo twazo mu 21 km ine ambulance ine team yayo tukashaba. Last year we worked with the UPDF. Nabo bakatuyamba munonga with the ambulance and their team, and we have also asked them, and I'm sure that they will come on board.
Actually ko nvuna ndiye ninza abo kuba ejine mhanda nyigendo.
Yes.
Niye abantu bari gukoresa. Tinkumanya abebyo kwerinda nabo mbije bemerero mhanda baja imwe mwemera mutarabaho hana hakura baho kwirukanga bonka hija kubaho cha hagati ya.
We are already cleared by police. And we shall be taking them through the route to make sure that they manage by managing the traffic. So that is to mitigate eventualities like accidents. So the routes are well managed by the traffic and security, both in terms of they provide security but also make sure that there is traffic control.
Okay. Ebigambo byahamuhe rutendere.
Mbweno ni nyabaza munonga vision group mwe bari kutostinga kandi mwe abantu ababasa kutureba mu kashesho mwe bare so we appeal to you ntubasha bangu mwije mugure kitsi mwejumbero mukwiruka then na nabantu companies individuals nimumbaso kutuhereza ubuhereza mutuhereze mu buyambi contributing either financially or in kind na churches mutuhereze prayers tubase kureba ngo twa controllinga twija tuyena twiruka umukoro gwa successful then tuyena twejumbere hamwe we try to reduce on HIV, we create awareness on HIV so that we control infections and also end AIDS by 2030.
Turwanse akakoko kasirimu ubwo n'umurimo gwa buri omwe ahori basa kucejumbiramu not necessarily okubanza twarinda abempumbo kutwijusya kureka tugume twejusye jwara kapira warabya kuremerera cumwe ninga basa kurinda obora tunga mukundwa wawe na wakakutunga mukazo mu magara g'obushwere mukasigara mubindire akakoko kasirimu cyo butungi charity ninye nande niwe ahabwa kashonshore cyaka komjenyi wito twaza kumura zakon twakira amasumu gawe umukachonshore cyaka gamba nitwe twaruga umukahumura kuturarjemo utarga ha program yeje nungi ya sisimuka
Nehinda 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 Let me help you out.
Have I not given you all your money?
Can't you give me something better than this?
Better than what? Is it a illegal tender for Bank of Uganda?
I don't need these coins. Give me my money.
Then I
I said, give me my money. Give me
Young
my money.
lady,
What is
young
it?
lady.
What is it?
Don't you know that it is wrong to reject a national currency of any denomination? You should respect it and know that all money has value.
Bank of Uganda issues coins in the denominations of Uganda shillings 1, 2, 5, 10, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 1000. They are all legal tender in Uganda and should be accepted for all transactions. Money is precious. Handle with respect. This message is brought to you by Bank of Uganda.
Ronaldo does score! Kylian Mbappe, Yamal, Harry Kane, Cristiano Ronaldo, Victor Gyökeres, and Alan Oquero. It's Mbappe coming on and scoring! From the Pearl of Africa to the heart of Spain, StarTimes brings you football action you need. Season 2025-2026. Alan Oquero! Starting August 15th, La Liga, Bundesliga, Saudi Pro, Carabao Cup, and our own StarTimes UPL returns only on StarTimes. Subscribe to StarTimes Classico Smart Bouquet at only 36,000 shillings monthly to watch live on World Football Channel and Sanyuka Prime for Uganda commentary. StarTimes Football, kubeira isi.
Banya-Uganda, mwetebekanisize ubu ni bwo bwire bwo kucamukana sente omukazana kare kubasa kwindura amagara gawe ubwo rikoresa shilingi 20,000 zonka yandikisha heji uri kutera star 238 star 3 star 10 hash asimu yawe abwa shilingi 20,000 zonka rero otegereza omucha ubwo kusingura sente nyamwinji ubwo uri kwirebera TV West buri zoba buri kwehandikisa ni kongera micha yawe okutoranwa okwetaba mu draw yo kwangura sente program yo mushonje hamwe no muneneserezo omuhanguzi naza kuba natererwe simu kurabira ahari noti 2 noti chenda anana mwenda emirundi yo kwetaba mu kazano nikone micha yawe yo kusingura eri kweyongera.
Orwokubanza woyine shukari haza okabura kujijagurira bukiri kare notandika kureba kubi otunga nk'eki ekiho
ego
kizanka amisho
ohura wachindirwa nk'akahobora kwezaje
aha obura kwezaje haza obwiro bwingi wotagira gurire bukiri kare nobasa kugenda omu surgery ninga okushemezebwa.
omubwire bw'akaruro TV West neja kuberebera hamwe okurwa mu byaro okuza mu tawuni omunterane z'abari kurundo bururu hamwe n'ibiganiro turi mu cyanga cyawe esha yona turi kuretera ebiri kufayo amakuru gaho naho na buri kimwe cyona ecyo murebi witu aine kumanya mutuze kucumisyaho yekumi no mukumanya abo kubekera abo cyona TV West neja kuba nechikusyaho TV West nehinda.
tukiri on program ya sisimuka webare iwokera nitwe ahabwa program eje dakika zabasha tunamushanju ezarenga omushaha yitu eyo kubanza turi aha noti mwenda noti ina mwenda nkabe nishabangu obase okuterera ahasimu otworeke iwe noreba ngo tubasa tuta okubasa kurwanisa ebikwatirana okwiba examinations omwana wawe kushanga bamwibire kizamu we akozere yihaya katakatakati inina 4 in 4 konko mwana no mutomo secondary no racha ntibe cyamuhiro obiraba bikushobera so ngabe ninye nangu turwane mashija ege scenario eriho mbacana kujigamba kugira ngo washango mwana ashomwire mwishomero namnonga nkaga gebyaro atinkanyo kunashomire rwibare primary school washanga nyine nka 18 engineering nka second grade washanga nyine nka 18 banta omwishomero rya secondary omuriyaga gunkora ngo bakirina banta yena no wina na nanyo 18 oshanga nyo wageze nyine 18 ndukukoraje compared to ogwe uba bene batira ngo yija inina nahabire hoje tumayisa ngo nahabire mwo kwiba okuksa na no kendero mwana atungire examinations akazikora kihayeje akiye max nungi okutira nyowe owo muno teka ngo ndinko wagwire mbene tukakora ki okubasa kuja nguturwanise okwibe bizamebe hello Ngwatira kazinda rako Bridget nutwachira amasimu ganyu noti mwenda noti ina mwenda abumwe bikorwa abakuru b'amashomero obundi nibikorwa umushomesa habwa klasi ye hello nsanyisa kuraba buhoro je mugamba cheyo chakabi amataba manji nyo yego mtawe wafe
naye agadde gavumenti okukyoma amaanyi abantu bonna bekwatane ebigezo nga basira abaana babasire eddagala obutabeesiya kubanga osomesezza omwana kuva mu myaka emyaka 3 omusomesezza emyaka 7 kati ekikubbira omwana eyo ebigezo omuteekemu omudobo gw'okubba ebigezo omwana mulekire ebiyinza akole ebintu bye ng'abijja mu mutwe gwe ate ekizibu kyebirina wano mu Kampala amasomero bagafudde tiivinensi abaana basomeseza ddala ebibuuzo omwana baafuna buno naye ng'omutwala gyagenda okola nga talina byakolayo naye babali abaana b'omukyala asinga okufuna obubonero 17 15 naye ng'asinga owamu n'akoze afunye obubonero 7 era kyetagambadde gavumenti emirimu ennyo kuba kkulu b'amasomero abo nga yebizidde mu kudda ebibuuzo era kibire ddala watali kugamba nti wali okubasaasira
tweyanziza mukwano gwaffe omwami mutawe webale nnyo tuwa ekirowoozo kyo kwegamba bamukwata ogwo yakikora bakamusiba ebyakwenyine ondisho etakwija akagara kakakikora otherwise abaana bitu bariyo nibabiita nawereka ngo babibira oyereka ngo yabaje kumba riyo nokuza oteyemererire nk'omwana noti ina mwenda esiriesi muyite ituriyo tutamburiraho tuno budakika bwitu nkabushatu okubasa kuganira hanshongeji ogweja ngo babakwate babasibe kibe serious no masses then tuye turondija rijakagaraka kakikora mbwashi emwe kandi byibwa ababita kuba twebembiza amashomero kana bakwamba bukora batabana bita butuzire abari abashomera amashomeraga ntubasa kuchandoringa tuta abana bitu okuja ngo tubasa okwibirwa ebigezo niyo enshonge yitwemerireho ecyo tukacicwa tukamangu cyarugaho omwana keyemerera akakora we nkawe esumite rya ha screen yawe basa kujikoporeraho kuronje mnonga nabwanyuma otereze enteka yawe tushanje na naha social media platforms zitu aharmu TV West Nehinda ejone ya Facebook thandikireyo tujya ku bantu bishoma tubireba kandi aha X hello When watachendeza ha volume ya TV yawe hello Oine kubanza wachendeza ha volume ya TV set yawe hariya kugira ngo ubone kumpurageranye kurege kitari cyo no kura volume zinkina obure yiwakoratara Hello Yes
Ugambana anemukanga innocent kurga Ugambana anemukanga innocent kurga rwibare
Yaba innocent wa rwibare nakwakira sebo Innocent Uko nahindutse buka omuro rwibare ahinakorire PLE yanje rwibare primary school kandi nke hangana ni hayikumi nongorachi shomero rye cyaro nkeryo ndi arisho mister tutukire kandi tire mune micwe ne mitwarize Yes kumiza muri yo noterra hello Hello ya twakwakira sebo rirota
Hello
Yes
No
twakwakira Okay Gumuzamu ojezeho esumuni ndaza gumana zikorra konka no basa kuba omwabanyamisha bakubasa kutera tukoga muje tukabasa kutunga ekiteka teko cyawe okumanya ehitwa kubasa kugarza nitushasha mnonga kabazire kushanga omwana ateyemerire okamutwara umwishomero yo kuteka teka ngo yihayina yihayitano yihayumukaga ajikero omwana kushobera aho yebuza ajiro mico yenseji and when actually kuriya bakamukorera ibyafaye byo kikecho byo bamuletera yahendera ati Hello Hello Twakwakira kano gamba cyahanshongeji Yatutegana sanu So esumo tinguza kwoga hwaho ahabo kwatina abasa okuzitunga je konka mutawe omwaha batunga omushago kurabamu yatugira ngo kikabenchi bakirunjo barakwate bamusibe ebiru kumushasha kugira ngo nijo kwara kiteka tekeho ajato waye kuba kunkwata nkabasa kuhenderera nkahi obundi tukagira abana abeferireyo n'abashomesa bafayo ashikirize ecyamutira yishomero omwana ubwonko bwe bwiguka bwakire ebyo byona ebyashimikwa nayakira okutiro gumaho barda bakarinda okwibirwe bizamu abo kwa rwo muco gwishomero n'ubwo muco go amherwiza bakashanga omwana nyencha kareye etabasa kuba nunji ahadashikana ni 5 ezari gumushayiti yo kubanza twaza kuhendereraha omushayiti ya kabiri twaza kuhendereraha Nzakwa tuachira mzee Ibisinsino let him also come here and play his part dachikeza sigarayo ari kuhendera program eji eyasisemuka kambe ndeze okusibaje
Nehinda
akashanshara cyakamuza Ibisinsino nakakushikibwaho
Chenda ngonywe kabiriti wamara kunywa kabiriti nuburira waba kurungi amagara gona waba kabiriti
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro and Mbarara. Come for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Empowerment, knowledge creation.